How to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the Bluetooth device not working on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your services. So first you need to open up your services, which is under your system. After opening your services, now you need to right click on the white space and then refresh your services, and after that you need to go with the Bluetooth services. So here as you can see that I have three Bluetooth services, or you may also have more services. So what you need to do is you just need simply right click on the service, go with properties. Under properties you need to go with the startup type and go with automatic. And if you've started the service, like if you've stopped the service, then you can just simply go and start the service, and after that you can apply, go with OK. In the same way, you can go with the next Bluetooth service, right click, go with properties, go with startup type, go with automatic, and then start the service if you've not started, and then go with apply and OK. And in the same way, go with the third one also, go with properties, select the startup type as automatic, and then start the service and apply and OK. Once you've done this, then your problem might be fixed. You need to just go back and refresh, and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is search for troubleshoot. So just open up your troubleshoot settings. Under troubleshoot, you need to go with other troubleshooters. And under other troubleshooters, you will have the Bluetooth option right here. So you just need to simply go with run, which is on the right side, and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Once you run the troubleshooter, then it may take a few minutes or a few seconds to run. And if any problems have been found, then it will say that a problem has been found and it has been fixed. After that, you can close the troubleshooter and apply the fix. Now, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is right click on your Windows, and from here you can go with your device manager. And under your device manager, you can go with Bluetooth, enlarge the Bluetooth, and here you will have the Bluetooth services or the device. You need to right click on it, and then you can go and update drivers. Or you can go with properties, and from here you can go with the driver section, and you can go with update driver, and you can either choose search automatically for drivers, or you can browse your computer for drivers. So go with search automatically, and if it says that the best drivers for your device is already installed, then you can just simply close it and refresh or restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.